Hello everybody, today we are going to unbox ASUS TUF TUF Dash Laptop F15. This one comes with a new Gen i7, 12th Gen i7. That's how the box looks like. Here we have ASUS seal, goes like this. Here we have the specs. It doesn't say the video card here, it has 3060. RTX 3060 with a 6 gig. i7 12th gen, 512 SSD, 16 gig of DDR5, so 2 by 8, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, USB-A, USB-C, in fact 2 USB-C, Windows 11 Home, backlit keyboard, all the good stuff. Nothing here. How many watt is this? 200 watt. I have a logo here. I have two USB-C here, USB-A, headphones, Ethernet, charging, HDMI. Nothing on the back, and another USB-A Kensington lock on the side. It's not very thick, it's like average thickness. Yep, it's like average laptop thickness here. It's pretty good. This one is Thunderbolt, and this one looks like regular USB-C. I have a webcam here. It goes up a little bit like this. You see? Design. Power button. It's like Lamborghini design. Very nice materials. 4 buttons here we see. This is kind of matter of preference. And here we have for the volume, microphone, mute. Kind of separate buttons here, which is good. DDR5, very good, 144 Hertz, 100 watt type C fast charging, noise cancellation, RTX, Wi-Fi 6, Dolby Atmos. Great quality. I like the design, maybe except for these white buttons here. Look a bit off to me, but it's a matter of taste. It's not very thick. It does not exactly screams that it's a gaming laptop. I mean, the design, it looks, I wouldn't say like too conservative, but it's, you know, it's in the right spot. 12th Gen i7 with DDR5 is very good. This is very strong side of it. Then 512 SSD might not be enough for everybody, but those who is fine with 512 gig, you know, those are fine. You know, it depends how much you need. And RTX 3060, it's still a good video card. It's definitely weaker than the CPU. The CPU is like really great, and video card is like very good, but not the best. It's not 3070. I would probably pair this CPU with 3070. Although 3060 is fine, it's still a very good video card and you can play all current games with it. Thank you very much for watching, please like and subscribe.